Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can set up Woocommerce on WordPress. So let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and then click on Add New. A new page will appear. From here, navigate to the search bar in the top right and type Woocommerce. Click Install Now on the Woocommerce plugin, and once installed, click Activate. After activation, Woocommerce will automatically launch its setup wizard. The wizard will ask you to enter your store details like address, currency, and the type of products you will be selling. Fill these in and click Continue. Next, choose your payment options such as PayPal, Stripe, or cash on delivery. Then set up your shipping options by entering flat rate or free shipping depending on your store needs. Woocommerce will also suggest optional features like automated tax setup or marketing tools. You can enable or skip these based on your preference. Once the setup is complete, go to Products and click Add New to create your first product. Enter the product name, price, description, and image, then click Publish. Finally, open your site in a new tab and navigate to the shop page to see Woocommerce in action with your product live. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.